So guys, we're down here at Docville Farm for the cook-off for the coast. All proceeds goes to saving our precious wetlands. But today, y'all missing out. Y'all should be here at Docville because all the great food. It's absolutely amazing. And on top of it, ours. Quail burritos, baby.
It's a free festival, free food. Basically anything that comes out of the marsh cook-off or out of the wetlands. But it has categories. So we have student category, we have flies, so anything that flies. We have swims, which is crabs, shrimp, and then we also have crawls, which would be like venison, raccoon, if you want to cook raccoon or whatever. And today we're benefiting Nunez Community College and their coastal scholarship program.
That's some of the best wild rabbits you could ever eat. A bunch of guys got together, some good friends of mine went out and did an amazing hunt. They came back with quite a few dozen of rabbits, and we cleaned them up and got them in a pot and got them cooking.
The food is amazing. Entertainment's great. The people are great. This is just a wonderful thing for all of St. Bernard Parish. And it's a shame that there has to be winners and losers in this because everything is fantastic.
We got some really tough competition, man. Everybody here it's amazing on all of their recipes and in a wild game. I mean, it's going to be tough. I think everybody deserves the first place winner that's here today.
Team Isleños, right here. We've been here since the first year they did this, cooking. Every year we do something different. This year we're doing pork burrito tacos with some sauce. Best thing around. There ain't nothing better than this. You come visit this place, you're doing two things. You're eating great food and you're good for the cause. Everything here is a good thing. It's free too. So come back, 2026, I want to see you here.